roughly 800 small farms, and the majority of those are family farms of 3 to 5 acres in size. And those are generational farms going back to the old days. So a lot of times grandma, grandpa, mom and dad and kids are all, working part-time on the coffee while they have other, livelihoods. And they just kind of share the profits of what they can make from their coffee as a side gig. The bulk of the farms inside the circle here we refer to as cherry farmers. And I'll show you what a coffee cherry looks like down the road, but it's a red berry, and they don't have any infrastructure to process that. So they pick it off the tree, they put it in burlap sacks, they take it down to a mill to sell. So we are a farm, we do grow our own coffee, but we're also a mill or a processing facility. And so we're buying coffee, certified Kona coffee from hundreds of other farms, as well as growing our own estate coffees. Okay?
Little red berry anywhere in sight. That's how fast it comes back. Whether it's our coffee or another farm's coffee, it all starts there. And then it comes through this silver machine on the corner, which is known as a color sorter. It has computer spectrograph.